Now, with matrices, we do lots of operations. Okay, we've added matrices. We can subtract matrices the same way that we add them, but we can also multiply, and there's multiple ways to multiply. Okay, the first is scalar multiplication. And scalar multiplication is where we take a real number, we'll call it k, and if you multiply k, that number, by the matrix A, what our resulting matrix is simply taking each entry of A and multiplying it by k. And this ties now into the additive inverse property that we saw, and that is that the additive inverse of a matrix is simply -1 times that matrix. Again, no surprise there because that's the case for real numbers as well. So let's go ahead and apply our scalar multiplication. Here we have 2a minus 3b. So we get to do some scalar multiplication with the 2 and the 3, and then some matrix subtraction. So 2a, I'm going to go ahead and write out the matrix A here. And then minus 3, and then b. 2, 1, -3, 4, 0, 1. So the first thing I'm going to do is do my scalar multiplication because I'm following the order of operations. Okay, the order of operations applies with matrices just like it does to real numbers. So I'll start with my multiplication. Bringing the 2 in, I multiply each entry of matrix A by 2. And so that gives me -2, 0, 6 for the first row, and 4, -2, 8 for the second row, minus, and then multiplying the 3 into the matrix B, I get for the first row 6, 3, -9, and for the second row 12, 0, and 3. And now I'm ready to subtract these matrices. To subtract them, I just subtract corresponding entries. So I have a -2 minus 6, which is a -8. 0 minus 3. 6 minus -9 is positive 15. 4 minus 12 is -8. -2 minus 0. And 8 minus 3, which is 5. So there is our final result of doing this scalar multiplication on each of those and then subtracting.